Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla, and here we're today dedicating a special Nooping video to the Fab Over 40 hooping group. So this Nooping is using your nose and hooping. So we're going to start with a small light hoop, and we're going to get this going on our finger with just a little bit of a wave right there. And then we're going to slowly bring this down, bring the nose straight up in the air, make sure the head, neck, and shoulders are warmed up, and then we're going to bring this down on the nose, and right about there is where you're bringing this. When you're bringing this down in the nose, you're looking for your opening right about here to place it on your nose so that your head will be inside of the hoop and your nose has to be straight up. If it's not, your head's going to be in here and you're going to have head hooping, which is a little bit different action. So one more time on the finger. Get ready to place, and that is Nooping. This is Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. Rock on, peace out. Bye.